Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my people. How na day? Hope you are doing well. Hope the family is good. So, today now I don't bring another video come for now, and this we have learned. I say me I know today speak English, so we don't learn wetin .NET be. We don't learn say did they use and do web application that they use and do what we call back end, front end, and we don't hear say na big companies na them they use .NET, and we don't see say if you want a remote job or remote work, you go dey use .NET well. So .NET, plenty remote companies where they use .NET like remote workers, so you don't need to be on site before you go do am. So we don learn .NET. If you never learn check my previous videos. You go see am for there. So for this video now, I wan show una say for that your laptop, even if na 4 gig RAM laptop, say you fit install your .NET. And no be only .NET we go dey learn from here. We go dey also learn how to use AI. Na don dey hear AI. So you go learn how the one wey I dey use na ChatGPT wey we know. So you go learn how I dey use ChatGPT dey solve problem, dey ask am question, how I dey prompt am. Na prompt dey call am. So prompt means how you dey ask am wetin you wan ask am make e give you correct things. So make I no talk too much, make I show una how dey use uh ChatGPT. So I don go ChatGPT, I don tell am say give me step by step on how to install .NET setup or how to set up .NET on my system with VS Code. So for your own system now, wetin you go do be say you go click this link. Maybe I go put this link for description of the video so that you go fit click am. So if you click this link, e dey load make e come. So you see you say if you click this link, you choose .NET 8. So make we go the link see. Why the thing dey take time like this now? Wow. So you see .NET 9 don comot, but na 8 we want. 8 get long term support. So make we download this one. So I don click am. E say thanks for downloading. See am, e don start dey download 211 megabytes only. Only, no much. Are you a software developer? You go tell them say yes na. Abi? See this one son talk. Tell us about yourself. How would you best describe yourself? I just dey do this one as my this thing dey download here. See am dey download here. So tell us about yourself. How would you best describe yourself? We dey do .NET. It go be big enterprise now. Wetin they want know? Are you new to .NET? Yes, so me and my people, all of us dey new to .NET. What is your primary .NET language? Na C# we wan use. Na C# we wan use. Oga no dey tell us anything again. Shey you wan ask question? Dey come. I don choose am now. So our this thing don download finish. So we'll open and see. So as they install am now, you go just click am. They say yes. So if you open am, you go say install. The way we una dey take do PS13, I mean na PS waiting. If you install am for computer, PS13. Now just they say yes. Just they say yes, they go. Make it they do am for us. So you see am by the thing don dey install for our machine, our laptop. Na laptop I dey call machine. So e don install for our machine. Where e dey? See am. still dey install. Okay, so as e still dey install now, no wait for am. Why my ChatGPT where e go? Make I refresh am mostly. Like say network. Oh, Nigeria. Yeah, comot. Make I see road. My see where we dey. Okay, we never reach here. We still dey here. We still dey download. So download. We don't do this one. Run the installer and complete the installation. See am ba. Na wetin we dey do. The installer dey run now. May complete the installation. No wait. Later I go sing for una now. How did they sing this area songs? Area star songs. All the love, all the care, then they fake they be giving. Normally, oh, all the love, all the care, then they fake I go love you specially, oh. One thing is certain. Mm-mm-mm-mm. You are deserving of the love you are not getting. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Then look quality. And I go love you special. Like, why this thing no grade do now? This thing may finish now. All the love, all the care, then they fake normally, oh. Baby giving, I go love you specially, oh. All the love, all the care, then they fake don't be hard, don't worry. Later videos I go see how I go dey cut am. So oga don do, don install. So now they say make we go verify our installation. So wetin you go do, you go press, you go go here, you search, then you go type command, you go see this command prompt. So when you click am, e go open, don open. So if you open now, they say make we type .NET version. We'll see whether true the thing don install. If it shows the version, it don't install. If you no shows the version, wahala dey. So version 8. So you see we don't get .NET 8 installed. Okay, we don't dey go with that. So step 2 now say make we download VS Code. VS Code now where we go dey write our code. See the name now, VS Code. We go dey write our code inside and for fine design. No be just like this one wey dey like this. So you say make we click here. So make we click am. So you go download them for Windows, or you dey use Mac, you go download for Mac. So this one automatically detect my system say na Windows. So it dey say download for Windows. So if I click this one, it go start dey download am, but I no wan download am again because I already get am for system. You understand? So no need to download am. Or if you click am you go see thanks for downloading VS Code. So e go start dey download. So more no see am by e don start dey download, but I no need am. 103 MB, so I go cancel am. So for your own, if you finish, you go just dey do that next. The same thing we will do for the other one. If you dey finish, you go click on open. Go dey tell you next. Yes, just dey do next. Yes, dey go. So wetin be our next step? All the love, all the care, then dey fake am. So after you don install for your system, they say make we open VS Code. So if you don't install am for your system, you go check your desktop. You go check your desktop. See am, Visual Studio Code. So na be VS Code. So you say open VS Code. So you go open now. So you say go to extensions tab. Extensions tab now be this. So you go click this one. Just dey do as I dey go jeje one by one. You go click this one. Hmm? Then you check again. You say go to extension tab, search for C sharp by Microsoft and click install abi. So see where you go search. You go type C sharp. Hmm. So, C sharp by who? Microsoft. Then you go do it in install and see install here. So you go click install. So see the thing say installing. This one go install and finish for us. If you install finish, then we go see how we go take continue. They say this installs the C sharp language support and debugger. So once you don't install the C sharp for us and we get .NET, it may remain. Now to start the code now. Una go so enjoy this code because nobody they teach like me. Oh, nobody they teach like Profile. Go and ask about me. Ask everybody. Ask my people. Ask. Man no call name. Man no call name. But go ask. Go and ask about me. Okay. Oga still dey install. Oh. So if you install finish, we go come do create our first .NET project. Oga don install finish, correct. So they say we will create our first .NET project. So how we go take do am? They say we go open terminal. See this place or see this place terminal. You will come click new terminal. They say the new terminal. You see so wetin we go come do ChatGPT may e tell us. You say we go run .NET new console hello.net. So now wetin we go run for the new terminal. I dey come. I already get the terminal open. No check no follow this one. No follow this one. Your own no go get waiting dey open like this. So this one leave am. So just no do wetin I just do. Just your own go comot like this normal. So if we do that now, wetin you go tell us? You go say okay, say make we type .NET new console /n hello.net. I am done. You say .NET new console /n hello.net. So once you type and you click enter, say succeeded. So the thing they talk. See, the template console app was created successfully. When you don't create everything, you don't create hello.net C proj for you. Don't do everything for you. Just the watch. Oh. Slowly but surely we will get there. Go get there. So navigate into the project folder. So you go just do cd hello.net. So cd hello.net. Then after that you go come say waiting. You go come say waiting. Forget this one. We don't already dey inside VS Code they do our work. So you go come say .NET run. Make it for work for us. So .NET run. So say na hello world. So you done the work. You done the work. Congratulations. So you are ready to code in .NET with VS Code. So if everything work to this place where you get where this hello world they show, I want congratulate you. Say you don't learn one skill, and what is the skill? How to set up .NET for your system. So congratulations as we continue on this journey. Uh, so my people, una bye bye.